air out for folks. Yes. Got a stock cue trying to play. What is good, y'all boys? That guy with the POVs, man. You see that? You see that? See that? Oh, let me put my seatbelt. Hold on. Tight shit. Look at that. No lights, man. That's one thing I like about being tuned, bro. You can just clear the codes anytime you want, bro. This dog. I'm pretty sure it was because it's fuck. I can't talk. This he was gone for like 2 weeks or something, and then when I finally got it back, I think when I was trying to get the window fixed, and I finally got it back, the car was reading the tire pressure sensors that's on the Z, because the Z got the Q stocks. And bro, for like a straight month, I had a low pressure light right there, and it was annoying because obviously these wheels don't even have tire pressure sensors, bro. So that shit was annoying as hell. But then you feel me, big brain shit. I had to think. I went ahead and just cleared it, so we lit. But yeah, enough yapping today. I'm finna go get some E85. I mean, then we gonna hit a car wash because this car is dirty as hell, bro. I'm gonna show y'all when we hit the E85 station, but bro, I really honestly don't remember the last time I washed this car, bro. It's ridiculous. I've been neglecting the shit out of it, and it's just like I just got so much more to do, bro, because this car, like, it needs some serious maintenance. Thank God though, it's nothing engine wise, you feel me, knock on carbon, but cosmetically, I don't know, to me it looked like a piece of shit, bro. So I got a lot of shit to do, but go ahead and clean it up. She really needs like a full detail, but today ain't that day. So let's get y'all when I get this. Judging off my, what is it called? My measurements. Whatever it takes, it should be all it takes. But yeah, bro. Car is looking so clap, bro. I need a new bumper so bad. And like, I don't want to get another bumper and just repaint it. I'd rather just get another gray bumper, which I'm sure I could, bro. But I don't know. I guess I can't be so sure, bro, because I cannot find them. This is faded. I'm not gonna lie, that might be it, but still though, you feel me? That's too much. I let my car be perfect. And then we obviously went on the meisters. Look at this, we got bird poop here. Like, this car been neglected like crazy, bro. Shit killing me, bro. So, you feel me? We got this gas. Damn, that's all you taking? 4.7. I think that should be like maybe like E25 or something. Cause I'm on E30, but should be alright. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wash the car, and then after that, we're gonna head to some spots, get some flicks in, cause Lord knows the last time I took pictures of this car, bro. It's been ridiculous, bro. I just been recycling content over and over. But I'm gonna finally get some new film with the red tail lights too. I don't think I've even taken any pictures with the red tail lights either, bro. So gotta go ahead and do that. You feel me? We outside, man. Big E, good E. Alright, she's all nice and washed. Tough though. The light came back. Tough. I like got like 5 miles with that shit clear, bro. Yeah, it's so funny, bro, because I just finished washing the car, and like every time I be at that gas station, bro, and then like it's like, let me fucking find out. Why? Bro, that shit was hyper blinking. I was about to spaz, no cap. Found a little spot in the cut though. I'm about to park up real quick, get some flicks in, and then we gonna head somewhere else. Very cute. Go ahead and air out for the folks. Yes! That's a sound I can never get tired of, boy. That junk looking too clean though. My goodness. Oh, I still miss my meisters though, but the Nismos is holding me down for now though. I'm thinking though, bro, I look-y want a different set of 3-piece wheels, especially because Lord knows I'm gonna get my meisters back. So I don't know, I'm thinking about it. Maybe like KFs, I feel like, with a little fire. But also in the meantime, I'm thinking about putting on the Z stocks too. But they're 18s, that's the only thing. So they look kind of small. Cause I feel like 19s for this car like perfect. 20s look real nice too. I just personally probably wouldn't get 20s, but I don't know, bro. Sheesh. Bro, son over here. That junk is so loud. Son over here fucking up vibes, bro. Junk is too damn bright for my phone camera, so I have to change spots. I was finna go to the other side because this is a really nice spot, bro. Pretty sure they just built these houses over here too. All these shit's big as hell, bro. Money, 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 money. Dog. What the hell is calling me right now, kid? Good, y'all boys. It's actually the next day. I ended up just not finished filming yesterday, but back at it right now. As y'all can see, these are my favorite place to be in. Traffic. Fucking love it, bro. Golly, bro. I definitely came out at the wrong time, but it is what it is, though. I'm about to hit this one spot. Low-key, like, it don't even look like we down here for real. Like, this spot we finna hit, it's like under a bridge. Shit finna be fine. So, hopefully this traffic clear up. But if not, it is what it is. I'll catch back with y'all at the spot. But I definitely need some free room, bro. I'm trying to get some pulls in, you feel me? Cause I remember the last time I really did like some nice pulls on E85 in this car. Even though we don't got full, feel me, E30. Bruh. We don't got full, feel me, E30. Bruh. Nigga stomping the brakes, kid. My goodness. But yeah, I don't know when was the last time we did some like real good pulls on E30. So try to get some good pulls in. Stretch the legs out, you feel me? Oh, bro, I just remembered. That's what I was saying yesterday too. I was gonna say, cause like, I was like, bro, every time I go to that gas station, it's always like my car. I feel like, you know, like certain cars, like stance cars, like real like campered out cars, they probably attract like the younger crowd. And then some like, I don't know, like some supercars or like there's a quality luxury like stock car. You feel me? That would attract like the older crowd. I feel like my car's like just like a perfect balance between both, bro. Because yeah, when I was like every time I go to that gas station, bro, I always get like, you feel me, at least one or two people complimenting the car. Like it's so fire, bro. Cause I don't know, bro. I don't know. That shit just, you feel me? It's like people like support your work and stuff like that. But I don't know, bro. That shit really crazy. Golly. Now this, can't tell me that's not tough. This is dumb tough. Damn, is somebody coming? Fuck. Telling you, bruh, boy, be snapping with the spots. Come on now. Look like I'm in Kansas or some shit. I ain't never even been to Kansas, but I feel like this is what Kansas would look like, you feel me? But this shit tough though. Shit dumb tough. Bro, I'm sick. Y'all see how I washed the car yesterday? Bro, y'all already dirty because boys was cutting the grass. Cooked. But it got caught up. Shit sick, bro. And then it's like starting to like rain a little bit, even though the sky clear as hell. It just made no sense, bro. Honestly, didn't really have much else planned. And like I said, it's dumb traffic on the road, so we're gonna see what I'm about to do. Low-key, actually, I think there's one spot that's not too far by us. Just aired up. You can't tell me that's not tough, though. You can't tell me that's not tough. See, now this gotta be thumbnail. That bit right there looks perfect. Oh my gosh. Come on, bro. Your boy be finding these spots, dog. Shit hit with that building in the background too, especially. I'm about to hit like one more spot and then I'll probably get back on the road and really get y'all some more POVs. Because road should be dying down by now. I know it's about to get dark soon though, that's the only thing, but it is what it is. It should be alright. Man, look at that, bro. You can't tell me that don't hit. Yeah. Y'all, I swear the little like lettering in the road, bro. I swear, when I lower the car, that shit feel like damn speed bumps, though. Shit be killing me every time. It's hilarious. You got a stock queue trying to play. way sliding. It's on the stock map too, or the daily map. My bad. On that shit though, bro. That shit's so quiet. I think it's I want to say it's a 3.7 though. I don't know. Everybody would have played mad. Trying to cut up so bad. Not today, bro. Not today. But man, it's not like I cut up anyways. I always follow the legal speed limit. Hopefully I inspired that boy to get a tune. Whole different car, bro. I swear to God. Swear to God. Should pull like a damn freight train. Well, probably not like a freight train, but like a real fast train. That was hella unexpected though. That boy came out of nowhere, bro. I want to go on a ride out, bro. But I know not Cars and Coffee, Homestead. And Homestead, that last event that we went to, if y'all seen that video, but if not, I'll link it right here. But yeah, that last event we went to, they hosted another one, I'm pretty sure next week. So that should be crazy, bro. And then there is a ride out going there. So yeah, that should be hella lit. And even tomorrow, we meeting up with London, a whole bunch of other M's. He didn't tell me exactly who's gonna be there, but it should be lit though. Even though I didn't get too much tonight, I'm gonna go ahead and look over this footage or not. Shit, y'all already gonna see next time y'all see the camera, you're gonna have a whole bunch of M's, man. Get some flicks in with London, and then we outside, boy. I would say the one thing I really need is some pictures of some flames. That would be fire. I know London was saying that he got some like $3,000 lens now, bro. Yo, I couldn't imagine that, dude. Imagine paying $3K for a camera lens, bro. Remember on photography 5, but yo, paying that much bread for just a lens? The camera body probably like 4K, so imagine. It's like a 7K setup. I don't know if y'all know people like what's his name? Like I think K Fletch, or like somebody like Woshins. Might be his name. I don't know how to say his name, but imagine how much them boys camera setup cost. Like imagine just the camera lens, and then imagine the like the whole rigs and shit, bro. I don't want to think about it, bro. But I would say that profession definitely does pay though. Definitely does pay. You gotta be good at what you do. Bro, I don't know if y'all can see that. Bro, that's the M340 though. That always like messes with me because the M340 and the M3, if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure them boys share the exact same tail light. That's probably the dumbest shit they could have did. I mean, like, granted, I guess it makes parts cheaper, bro, but it always messes with me. You would think that's an M3 from afar. That junk is definitely not. I was thinking about it. Let me get y'all one more pull for the night. One more little baby pull. Shit get too squirrely. Bro, I genuinely wonder if I I put like some good tires, like some real good tires, how hard this shit would pull, bro. I swear. Anything under like 40, bro, it just spins like hell. Holy shit. And it's like, bro, this is only like about 500 to the wheel, bro. So I really want to know how it feels like to be in like a 1,000 horsepower car. Yeah, 1,000 wheel, or like even more than that, bro. Bro, I know that shit probably scary, kid. Oh, I'm pretty sure my car like the fastest car I've ever been in. Besides the track car. Track car is fun as fuck. Yo, I swear if I had a track car, them boys would hate me. Y'all boys would hate me, bro. Cause I'd have a intake. Good day, I say, full of content. Good day, good day. I'm gonna go ahead and call it right there. Y'all got this far, feel me, enjoy the video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe. If you want to, you feel me, fuck with me. But yeah, we're gonna call it right there. I appreciate y'all for watching, especially if you finished the video. So, y'all boys already know the vibes. Marcos, out.